Waleta. This is just a quick review of diagramming. So, we'll start with the example sentence, the possessives, subject, verbed, the adjectival indirect object, the direct object in the prep phrase. Yes, that's a sentence. Theoretically, it doesn't make sense, but just roll with it for a second. So, the first thing we always want to do is to find the verb and double underline that. So write down this sentence somewhere that you can find it, and then double underline the verb. The next thing to do is parenthesize any prep phrases we see even before we go to the subject, because prep phrases are usually pretty easy to find, and we can also pull them out of the sentence fairly easily while leaving the rest of the sentence intact. Then it'll be easier to find the subject, which we'll underline once. Then we'll box the direct object, and we'll circle the indirect object if there is one. Remember, there might not be any prep phrases, there might not be any subjects, there might not be any direct objects, and there might not be any indirect objects either, because the only thing that is essential to a Latin sentence is the verb, even though in English we require subjects. Then we're going to star any possessives that we see, and finally we will draw an arrow from an adjective to the noun which it modifies. That's it for diagramming until we get to chapter 25. Waleta!